In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you're getting ready to enroll in a course, start a subscription, or simply keep your billing details up to date, adding a payment method on Coursera is quick and secure. First, head to your account settings page. You'll usually find it by clicking your profile icon and selecting settings from the menu. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the changes apply where you expect. Once you're on the settings page, Kusai, look for the payment section. This is where all your billing information is managed. Here, you'll see any existing payment details on file. If you already have a method saved and want to change it, click Edit next to your current payment information. If you don't have one yet or you want to add an additional option, select the Add Payment Method button. Now you'll fill in your new payment details. Coursera accepts major credit cards including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB, as well as most debit cards and PayPal. If you're entering a card, type in the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear on the card. Use the name and billing address that match your bank's records to avoid verification issues. If you choose PayPal, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Once that's complete, you'll return to Coursera with your PayPal account linked. When everything looks correct, click Save. You may see a brief authorization check from your bank to confirm the card is valid. This is standard and typically disappears on its own. After saving, your new method becomes available for future purchases and any active subscriptions. If you updated an existing method, make sure it replaced the old one as intended so renewals go through without interruption. A few tips to keep things smooth. Ensure your card supports online and international transactions if you're studying from a different country, and double-check that your billing zip or postal code matches your bank's records. If a payment fails, review the details you entered, and if needed, contact your bank for help with verification. You can always return to the payment section to use Edit or Add Payment Method again, and resave the correct information. That's it. Go to Settings, Open Payment, choose Edit or Add Payment Method, enter your card or connect PayPal, and click Save. With your payment method securely set up, you're ready to enroll and keep learning without interruptions.